What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a design using a Canva template. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. You want to start by logging into Canva at canva.com. From the home page, choose the type of design that you want to create. You will find many options like a resume, email, a logo, or even a presentation. Canva provides thousands of ready-made templates. You can browse through the options and click on the template that fits your goal. Let's try and customize this thank you card. Once you've selected the template, open it up and you can click on Customize this template. From here, you can start customizing your design. You can update the content, you can adjust, all according to your design needs. Canva has many tools that can help you personalize any template. And once you're finished, you can click on Share at the top right corner. From there, you'll be able to download and export your design in the many different options. And that's how you can create a design using a Canva template.